Let's have a look at this puddle. Ah, he is.
No.
No. No. I can barely see this. Oh, it's a bike!
Life hack. If it's too dark, just turn on the lights.
Okay then, Boomer.
Bike check. It's a BMX. It spins. It clangs. It crank flip, kind of. Frame. Purple. Has a wolf. It's Russian. Why? No idea.
Fashion. Whoa! You can actually see now. Whoa!
Look into my eyes and tell me I have a soul. You can't.
Because you're gay.
Fend. Bars. Yes. You may be fooled because I also have the wolf and the Primo sticker. Which one is it? You don't know. I have some Gwippies as well by Eclat. Then we have a Shadow Odin stem, which I completely copied of someone who I used to ride with, because that is the only purpose in my life, to copy everyone who I ride with. And then we have, as you can tell, Odyssey R25 fork, because fork good, yes. Most generic fork on a BMX bike you can ever get. Oil slick. Every woman in BMX runs something that is oil slick.
Unlike me.
Now I need to now then put a picture of your bike like right here. So everyone can see how truly black it is. Something cranks.
That is vocal.
Is it?
Yes. Primo turbo pedals. They rattle. And then we have a bottom bracket.
Why? No one needs one of those.
I know. And then we have the seat post that is very, very scratched up. And on top of the seat post, we have the beautiful, amazing, best tie-dye seat there is. The only tie-dye seat. I completely didn't lose a friendship over this seat. Oh. Considering that is so scratched up, I should probably repaint it right now. There has never been a better time than right now. Do I look like a crackhead?
Well, yeah, you are.
How to take off your seatbelt with gay. Am I even doing it the right way? I think I am. Step 4. Get spray paint and paint it. Back on. It's all black.
I don't see no jet fuel.
No? What's jet fuel? Never heard of it.
And then once you spray painted your seat post, you also get spray paint on your hand. Oh god, that would be so gross.
The seat post has finally dried. Black, like my soul.
We have a front wheel, oil slick again, and it has two peggies. It is a Stranger Crux hub. There's a logo somewhere. Let's see, it says Stranger. Wow. And it has a We the People rim, and it has two very chunky pegs. And it has a BSD tyre in 2.4 because that's the only street way of street. And then same tyre on the back, less chunky pegs, oil slick hub again, but this time it's a proper select free coaster because pedalling backwards is lame. And I have hubby guards as well, so I don't break my hub. There is a Shadow Conspiracy sprocket, an Odyssey keychain, and I think that is all of that there is to the bike. It's all the same. Nothing's changed.
Stop lying.
It's all an illusion.
I love the purple of your frame.
Oh yeah, I know. I really like that stress sticker right there.
Let's go coaster for the wolf then.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that gusset. That's right there. Yeah, it looks amazing. Oh, and look at the frontal engraving as well.
And your
Looks-
pink socks.
No. Look at the